In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal on Kakobuy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find an item, add your choices, and complete your purchase with PayPal smoothly and confidently. First, open your browser and go to the Kakobuy website. Give the homepage a moment to load. If you already have a Kakobuy account, it's a good idea to sign in now so your cart and address details sync automatically. To start searching, you can paste a product link directly into the search bar or simply type the product name. This is great if you already know what you want or have a link from a supplier. If you don't have a link, no problem. You can also search by image. Click the small image icon next to the search bar. A file window will open on your computer. Choose a clear photo of the item you're looking for and click Open. The clearer the image, the better the match results will be. You'll now see a list of items that match your image or keywords. Browse through and choose the one that best fits what you need. When you find the right option, click it to open the product details page. Here, take your time to select the exact variations. Choose the color you want and then set the length in centimeters if the item offers size options. Next, input the quantity you plan to buy. There's also a remarks box. Use this to add any special instructions for the seller or agent. Things like preferred packaging, a specific shade within a color group, or any notes that help avoid misunderstandings. Clear remarks can save time later. When everything looks correct, click Buy Now. On the checkout page, you'll see a checkbox indicating you've read and agreed to the terms. Review the summary, then check that box to proceed. After that, click Submit Order to move to the payment screen. On the payment page, choose PayPal as your payment method. This route is helpful if you prefer PayPal's buyer protection and want to pay in your local currency. Click Confirm Payment. You may be redirected to PayPal to log in and approve the charge. Follow the prompts there. When PayPal confirms, you'll return to Kakobuy. Finally, click Confirm to finalize everything on Kakobuy's side. That's it. You should see an order confirmation on the screen and receive a confirmation message shortly. Keep an eye on your orders page for status updates and consider saving a screenshot of the confirmation for your records. Thanks for watching and happy shopping with PayPal on Kakobuy.